Manchester United is not just a football club, it is an institution. It is a global brand, for millions honestly, a way of life. Its story is one of dramatic highs and crushing lows, a narrative woven into English football history. The name itself conjures images of glory. Legendary players, Old Trafford, the theatre of dreams. This is where heroes were made and history was written, built on attacking football, youth development, an unshakable belief in its own destiny. A story of resilience, rising from ashes to conquer the world. A tale that resonates far beyond Manchester. Success is demanded, pressure forged great teams, and in leaner times became a heavy burden. The story begins not in glamour, but in 19th century industrial Manchester. In 1878, Newton Heath Lyre, the railway workers' team, was born. Humble beginnings on a rough pitch wearing green and gold. In 1902, saved by John Henry Davies, renamed Manchester United, the red shirts adopted. In 1945, Sir Matt Busby transformed the club's destiny. He built from the ground up, youth, local talent, radical at the time. The Busby Babes, prodigious, courageous, attacking, captured a nation's heart, led by Duncan Edwards with Byrne, Taylor and a young Bobby Charlton. Champions in 1956 and 1957, astonishingly young. First English team in the European Cup, symbols of post-war hope and exuberance. Youth, attack, spirit, the enduring pillars of Manchester United. The dream turned into a nightmare on February 6, 1958. Returning from Belgrade, their plane crashed on a slush-covered runway in Munich. 23 lives lost, including 8 of the Busby Babes, Roger Byrne, Tommy Taylor, and Duncan Edwards. The club, the city, the footballing world plunged into mourning. Sir Matt Busby, near death, fought back through guilt and grief. Assistant Jimmy Murphy kept the flame alive. United even reached the FA Cup final. Busby rebuilt, with survivor Bobby Charlton embodying United's spirit. 10 years later, at Wembley, United defeated Benfica to win the European Cup. Charlton, with best-in-law, lifted a trophy that honored the memory of the Babes, Busby's promise fulfilled. 1968 crowned a rebuild and closed an era. Swift decline. Relegated in 1974, wilderness years of near misses followed. Cups arrived, but consistency for the league did not. Liverpool's dominance deepened the drought. United needed discipline, vision, and will, a total reset. In November 1986, Alex Ferguson arrived to a club in disarray. Under fire, he survived. The 1990 FA Cup win saved his job. Europe in 1991, youth reset, Bruce, Pallister, Irwin, foundations laid. Eric Cantona, the catalyst, transformed United's fortunes. 1993, first league title in 26 years, the dam broke. The era of Ferguson's dominance had begun. With the title secured, the floodgates opened. The 1990s and 2000s belonged to United, built around the class of '92. Homegrown heart blended with world-class signings. Inaugural Premier League 1993, doubles in 1994, and again in 1996. Unbreakable spirit, fearsome attacking style. 1998-99, 10 days, 3 trophies, Premier League and FA Cup, Barcelona. 2 goals in 102 seconds. Sheringham and Solskjaer, a miracle of will. The treble-sealed legend. Ferguson was knighted. Van Nistelrooy, Ronaldo, Rooney, evolution without end. 3 straight leagues and a 2008 European crown in Moscow. By 2013, Ferguson had amassed 38 trophies, including 13 Premier League titles. May 2013. Not just a departure, an epoch ended. Moyes inherited champions, and a season of collapse followed. 7th place, no Europe. Sacked in 10 months. Managers rotated, philosophies collided. Van Gaal's FA Cup, Mourinho's double and a 2-in-place finish, but fallouts, defensive football and chaos, then another sacking. Big names overfit, an imbalanced squad and costly misfires. Solskjaer reconnected with the DNA, but trophies eluded. The lesson, fix the structure, modernize recruitment and operations. Erik ten Hag arrived in 2022, meticulous, clear, developmental. discipline, pressing, patterns, and the 2023 Carabao Cup. Amid injuries and dips, resilience peaked. FA Cup 2024 won against the best. Recruitment sharpened. Martinez, Casemiro, pivotal in revival. Ineos took football operations, expertise and investment promised. The road is long, the league unforgiving, but with clear direction, youth and unity, belief grows that the theater of dreams will roar with glory once more.